the James Webb Space Telescope. A marvel of modern engineering and a beacon of human curiosity, the most powerful telescope ever built. It represents decades of research, collaboration, and innovation. It can see farther into space than ever before. With its advanced technology, it pierces through the cosmic veil, revealing the mysteries of the universe. It can show us the universe's first galaxies. These ancient formations, born from the primordial chaos, tell the story of our cosmic origins. It can peer into the atmospheres of distant planets. By analyzing the light that filters through these alien skies, we can search for signs of life and understand the composition of these distant worlds. We thought it would bring us amazing discoveries. We were right. The data it sends back has already revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. But some discoveries are more shocking than others. The unexpected findings challenge our theories and push the boundaries of our knowledge. The telescope is millions of miles from Earth. Positioned in a remote part of space, it operates far from the interference of our planet. It orbits the Sun, far beyond our Moon. This strategic location allows it to have an unobstructed view of the universe. From this unique vantage point, it observes the cosmos. It captures images and data that are both breathtaking and enlightening. It captures light that has traveled for billions of years. This ancient light carries with it the history of the universe, from the Big Bang to the present day. It shows us the universe as it was in its infancy. The cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang, is a window into the early moments of creation. And sometimes, it reveals secrets that some wish would stay hidden. These enigmatic discoveries remind us that the universe is full of surprises, and there is still so much we have yet to understand. Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, a rocky world scorched by the sun. We thought we knew it well. We were wrong. The James Webb Telescope has revealed something astonishing on Mercury's surface, something that changes everything. Geometric patterns, vast and complex, etched into the planet's crust. They are not natural, they are artificial. Someone or something built them. But who and why? The discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community. It was too big to ignore, too strange to explain. But some people didn't want the world to know. Rumors spread like wildfire, whispers of a cover-up. Had NASA found something it couldn't explain, something it wanted to keep secret? Leaked documents, anonymous sources. The story was pieced together. It seemed that NASA was trying to control the flow of information. They claimed it was to avoid panic, but many weren't convinced. What were they so afraid of? The implications of this discovery are staggering. If those patterns on Mercury are artificial, it means we are not alone. It means that somewhere out there is another intelligent life form, a civilization capable of building on a planetary scale. This changes everything we thought we knew about the universe. It means that life may be far more common than we ever imagined. It means that contact with another intelligent species is no longer just a possibility. It's a probability. And it might be closer than we think. Life, but not as we know it. As we peer deeper into the cosmos, our understanding of life and civilization is constantly challenged. What kind of civilization could have built those structures on Mercury? The enigmatic formations on this seemingly barren planet raise more questions than answers. What technologies did they possess? What were their intentions? Were they explorers, scientists, or something beyond our comprehension? These are the questions that now haunt our thoughts. The discovery has ignited a firestorm of curiosity and speculation among scientists and enthusiasts alike. The patterns on Mercury are unlike anything we've ever seen before. They defy our current understanding of planetary geology and natural processes. They are too complex, too intricate to be accidental. Each line, each curve seems to be meticulously planned and executed. They suggest a level of intelligence and technological prowess far beyond our own. Could these structures be remnants of a once thriving metropolis? Or perhaps a scientific outpost? They hint at a civilization that may have existed for millennia, perhaps even eons. A civilization that has witnessed the birth and death of stars, the rise and fall of worlds. A civilization that may have mastered interstellar travel. Imagine the possibilities. Journeys across the vast expanse of space, visiting distant galaxies, and encountering other forms of life. A civilization that may still be out there, watching us, observing our progress, our struggles, and perhaps even our potential. The universe is vast, and the possibilities are endless. Echoes of ancient astronauts. The discovery on Mercury has breathed new life into old theories about ancient astronauts, about extraterrestrial visitations in Earth's distant past. Could these beings have visited our solar system long ago? Could they have left their mark on Mercury? The evidence is mounting. From the pyramids of Giza to the Nazca lines of Peru, there are structures on Earth that defy easy explanation, structures that seem to point to an advanced ancient civilization. A civilization that might have had contact with beings from beyond the stars. A universe of possibilities. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, filled with wonders beyond our wildest imaginations. From the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, the cosmos is a tapestry of endless possibilities. For centuries, we have looked up at the stars and wondered if we were alone. Ancient astronomers, with their rudimentary tools, began the quest to understand the heavens. They charted the stars, mapped the constellations, and laid the groundwork for modern astronomy. Now, thanks to the James Webb Telescope, we are starting to get some answers. This marvel of modern engineering allows us to peer deeper into space than ever before, revealing secrets that have been hidden for eons. And those answers are both exhilarating and terrifying. The images captured by the James Webb Telescope show us the beauty and the violence of the universe. From the birth of stars in distant nebulae to the cataclysmic explosions of supernovae. The discovery on Mercury is just the beginning. As we send more probes and telescopes into space, we uncover more about our own solar system and the planets that orbit our sun. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we are sure to find more evidence of extraterrestrial life. Scientists are already studying the conditions that might support life on other planets, and each new discovery brings us closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? Perhaps we will find other civilizations, advanced societies that have developed technologies far beyond our own, living on distant planets in the far reaches of the galaxy. Perhaps we will find that we are not so different after all. Despite the vast distances that separate us, we may discover that the fundamental aspects of life are universal, and that we share common ground with beings from other worlds. Or perhaps we will find something that will change our understanding of the universe forever. A discovery so profound that it reshapes our view of reality and our place in the cosmos. The universe is a place of infinite possibilities, and our journey to uncover its secrets has only just begun. The future of discovery. The James Webb Space Telescope has opened a new window into the universe. It has shown us that we still have so much to learn, and it has given us a glimpse of what might be out there. The future of space exploration is bright. With new telescopes and spacecraft, we will be able to probe the cosmos deeper than ever before. We will be able to search for life on other planets. We will be able to unravel the mysteries of the universe. And we will be able to answer the ultimate question, are we alone? The unknown beckons. The universe is calling. It is time for us to answer. We must continue to explore. We must continue to search. We must never stop asking questions. For in the vastness of space, anything is possible. The discovery on Mercury is a reminder that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. It is a reminder that there is still so much out there to discover. And it is a reminder that the truth, no matter how strange or unsettling, is always worth pursuing. Keep looking up. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember this. We are not alone. There are wonders out there beyond our wildest dreams. Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never lose your sense of wonder. The universe is waiting to be explored.